Hello and welcome back to My Computer, and today we're going to be having a look at the concept of prototyping, which is an element of design thinking, and I have chosen Microsoft MakeCode to show you. Microsoft MakeCode is a free-to-use series of programs that helps computer science and computing education, and there are several ones that you can use, but this is really interchangeable with like design thinking and problem solving in all subjects, because if you have a concept that you would like, well, a project that you would like the students to do, and they could in some way use Lego or Arcade or Minecraft to display their prototype, to display their project, then this is an ideal thing to go onto and to direct your children onto, because it has virtual simulations on it. So it's not just the coding element. They can, like, just because they don't have the hardware for it, like the Lego Mindstorms or the Microbit, they can still see their code working. So let's just take a little look at the arcade one, which is all about making a game like for a to meet a goal. Lego Mindstorms, and also Adafruit Circuit Playground, which looks a little bit more complicated than Lego. So like what it is that it's looking at different elements of computing according to ability as well. Okay, so this is what the Microsoft MakeCode Arcade one looks like, and it comes up with a virtual simulation of like an old school arcade game, and you can literally, like, depending on whether you want to do it as block coding or if you've got like a bit more able students and you can go into JavaScript instead, then you can change the bit at the top. Okay, so that what I'd like to do is I would like to create a game, and on the in the game you can put music, you can put scenery in, you can put info in, and so on. So you can just like literally make like your game completely on like the web browser, and then test it out using the virtual simulation on the side. For Lego Mindstorms, it's very similar. Okay, like if you have a Lego Mindstorm set, then you know that there's different things that you can put into it, like there's different sections you can put into it, so therefore your hardware like in the middle is going to be able to do certain things. So again, it's the same as like the the arcade one. You can either have it as blocks, you can have it as JavaScript, and you can make it do whatever you want, including play music to you, and including like, you know, putting light sensors on there and so on. Now, if you have a computer science lab with like, you know, a real Lego Mindstorms or a real arcade or like a Minecraft edition, then you can also download like your code, and then you can put it into like a real life scenario to see whether it would work and make it a bit more tangible for your students. So the reason why I haven't really touched on Minecraft is because many of the students already know how to use Minecraft and to make like virtual simulations, and to make like, you know, the physics aspect of things moving, and also like the prototyping and testing aspect of like inviting other students in so that they can actually give authentic feedback is really powerful. So I do highly recommend that you use Minecraft for certain projects that include them being able to build something otherworldly, something like massive, like a roller coaster or something. So that's, I've seen that used very effectively as well. So I hope you have enjoyed this, and I hope you do start exploring Microsoft MakeCode. I'd love to hear what you're using it for. So stay tuned for the last one, which is testing the product.